Day 13, Video 2. Open page 19. Read these words and use them in your own sentences. OU, OUR, OW, OY, and OI. The sound of OU and OW is the same. The sound of OU and OW is ow, out, about, ow, house, loud, could, shout, oh, ow, now, how, cow, town, brown. Okay, the sound of OUR is R, sour, flour, R, and the sound is OY and OI is oi, boy, oi. The sound of OY and OI is oi, boy, toy, oil, boil, point. Complete these sentences using OU, R, or OW sound. How much flour? R, OUR, right? OUR. Will you put in our cake? R, again R, OUR. Mum, 3 cups of flour. R, again R, OUR, right? OUR here. And 1 cup of sugar. Tom, and how many ow sound again, right? HOW. How many eggs? Mom, 2 eggs. Now ow sound again, right? OW. Now mix them with a spoon. Tom, and how long? How ow sound OW, right? OW. How long will we cook it for? Mom, about ow sound OUT. 1 R sound OUR, R, until it brown. Ow sound OW. Oh, ow, OW, right? It's hot. Be careful and don't shout. Ow sound shout, chillana. So loud, ow sound OU. Your sister's asleep. Okay, make phrases about the food item. Look at the picture. A bowl of sugar. Second one, flour. A bag of flour. Third, bottle of oil. A bottle of oil. A jar of jam. Match it. A loaf of bread. This is bread. Where is bread? Match it. A jug of milk. Match them.